Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome to your first lesson of your networking career. Today we're going to talk about the blueprint for the new CCNA certification exam and some of the topics that will be covered in my course. A little bit about myself. I am a network engineer with 10 years of IT experience. I have been working with companies like Procter & Gamble, um, Pfizer, HP Enterprise, APL, American Precision Lines, um, Cyniverse Technologies. This one is very famous there, the Cyniverse Technologies company. Um, I have the chance to work with Nearlinks, focusing on the worldwide network for Windstream Technologies. Windstream is a vendor in the United States. So I've been working this path of networking IT engineer for the last 8 to 10 years, working with different equipments like routers, switches, firewalls, ASAs, mainly Fortinet, Juniper, Cisco, or Meraki. Those are some of the equipments that I have been involved in production and doing some changes during the last 7 to 10 years. Now let's talk about my program. So mainly, the module one is about networking fundamentals, everything related to its OSI model, IP subnetting, IPv6, IPv4 subnetting, VLANs, inter-VLAN routing, static routing, the different routing protocols. Then we will talk about network access. Module two we will be covering topics like Cisco iOS basics, wireless fundamentals, spanning tree protocol, switch security configuration labs. Later on, we are moving to the IP connectivity. And what is the idea? We are trying to cover 100% of all the topics for the CCNA certification exam. We will be covering EIGRP, OSPF version 2, multi-area, LSA types, authentication, all of them with different labs. In EVNG, we will use GNS3, packet tracer, some of these. Those are some of the tools that we'll be using to create our topologies and labs. IPv6 routing, first hop redundancy protocol HSRP, SD-WAN concepts, troubleshooting routing with the show and the box commands, end-to-end routing scenario lab. Later on, we are covering IP services, DORA, the DHCP concepts, NAT, NTP, syslogs, quality of service, QoS, basics, configuration lab, IP SLA, tracking concepts, network services in the cloud. With Module 5, we're covering security fundamentals, device security basics, AAA security concepts, local authentication lab, access control list, standard IPv4, ACL extended IPv4, IPv6 ACL, ACLs with NAT and troubleshooting lab, security network devices, VPN fundamentals, VPN basic configurations, and module 6, there you go. Automation and programmability. We have Cisco DNA Center, software-defined networking, REST APIs, JSON, Jan, different models in networking, Python, basics for networking, automating Cisco devices with Python, NetMiko and Paramiko, labs with SSH automation, REST API with Postman, Ansible basics for networking automation, Ansible playbook for Cisco devices, cloud networking automation, AWS, Azure, GCP integration, and a final review with a full exam topology and some troubleshooting challenges and scenarios. Some of the coverage that we will have using tools like Cisco Packet Tracer, GNS3, CML. These are some of the labs that we will be covering: VLANs, SDP, Ether channel, port security, DHCP, IPv6, HSRP, AAA, SSH, Python, Ansible, a full network topology, design, implementation, REST APIs, VPN, and ACL. Those are basically the topics that we will be covering during this bootcamp course and towards our goal, which is the CCNA certification exam. My name is Cesar. It's been a pleasure, and I hope that you have love and like these topics and lesson. This is a very short lesson because it's only explanatory of what the bootcamp is about, what everything that we will be covering in this course is about, but hopefully you will be enjoying these lessons and learning about networking. It's been a pleasure. Take care, boys and girls. Goodbye.